Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best marine solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Newpowa 9BB30W12V solar panel. If you are in the market for the best marine solar panel overall, then you definitely will want to check out this offering from Newpowa. Unlike lots of other solar panels where you have to decide between whether or not the panel has a high capacity or is thick or thin, these offer you the best of both worlds. First off, they are capable of creating a humongous amount of electricity in a short amount of time as long as you are in full sunlight. While that might not sound all that surprising with a polycrystalline panel, what sets these apart is their thickness. While lots of other panels that offer the same capacity are much thicker, these panels are ultra thin. They are only about 1 inch thick, which helps make them easy to install pretty much anywhere on your boat. This slight thickness also makes these panels some of the lightest on the market. The fact that they are not all that heavy, and yet large enough to soak up plenty of sun, helps set them apart from their competitors. It must be said, however, that if you intend to purchase these panels, you will also want to invest in a regulator. Since these panels are so efficient at soaking up the sun's rays, they tend to overdo it when it comes to charging your batteries. With a regulator, you won't need to worry about your batteries being ruined. Another consideration that you will need to keep in mind if you select these panels is that the durable framework's mounting holes are not always easy to keep in line. Thankfully, since these panels are so lightweight, it makes them a perfect candidate to be put up and taken down whenever you need them. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Newpowa 25W monocrystalline solar panel. As is the case with all of the panels that Newpowa makes, this model is nice and thin. No matter where you intend to install this on your boat, you will not have any issue making it fit. These are especially good for use on a rooftop since they are so thin and lightweight. Even if you have a smaller boat with a thinner style roof, you will not need to worry about these panels causing any damage, since they themselves are nice and light. This will still be the case if you choose to use an array of them on your roof. Since each panel only weighs in at around 4 pounds, they shouldn't be too heavy up on top of your boat. Of course, this thin design does come at a price. Since these panels are designed to be as lightweight as possible, they are not as durable as other models on the market. If you do choose these panels, you need to make sure that you are not too rough with them, or they will end up breaking down on you. They do come with a long 25-year warranty to help protect you against failures. Even though these panels are easy to attach to your boat, they are not as easy to connect to your batteries as they could be. The 3-foot wire that they come with might be a bit too short for some arrays, which might make it tough to hook up quickly without having to buy an extra cable. These panels also do not come with a pre-installed diode, so be prepared to buy one on your own. Thankfully, since these panels are already so cheap, this shouldn't add too much to your overall purchase price. At number 3, we have the ACOPOWER HY01012M 10W 10W mono solar panel. These are some of the smallest panels that you can get. This is great for 2 reasons. First off, they are incredibly budget friendly. Even if you wanted to get a large array of these panels, it isn't going to cost you too much. Plus, the more of them that you purchase, the more cost-effective they will be, since the larger the array, the better it will be at collecting energy from the sun for you. This small size also makes the solar panels a great option for smaller crafts. This is especially true if you have a limited amount of space on your deck. While you certainly could permanently attach these panels, they are a good candidate for a temporary display that you take up and put down at need. Since each panel only weighs around 2 pounds, you won't have any trouble maneuvering them around your boat whenever you need them. Of course, the small size of these panels could be a bit limiting when it comes to energy production. Since they are so small, they can only produce around 10 watts of power per panel. Their limited surface area might make it difficult to create enough energy for your needs. so be sure to look carefully at how much power you need before you make your final purchase. Even though these panels are on the small side, they are still highly durable. The frame has pre-drilled holes for easy installation but is still corrosion resistant. The entire panel is also waterproof, which makes it an excellent choice for use on a boat. At number 2, we have the RENOGY 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline solar expansion kit. If you are looking for a great starter solar panel with a large coverage area, then this might be the panel for you. RENOGY has built a long tradition for being an easy-to-use and reliable brand of panels, and this model is no different. These panels are weatherproof and can be grouped or used by themselves. This versatility helps make them an excellent option for new and experienced users alike. These are some of the most durable panels out there, which makes them great for a boat since they are designed to withstand ice, snow, rain, and wind and keep on working for you. They are able to do this because they are made extra thick, thanks to its rigid aluminum frame. While this does make them a bit more cumbersome, you will not need to worry about them falling apart on you anytime soon thanks to this rugged design. The frame also has pre-drilled holes that will allow you to mount the panels pretty much anywhere on your boat quickly. This makes it simple to put them in the place that makes the most sense for your needs, without having them in your way while you are trying to move about your boat. While these panels do have a large surface area and are relatively easy to install, they will take a long time to achieve the level of energy production that you might want. While it is possible to get a maximum output of 100 watts, you will need to make sure that the panels are aimed directly at the sun. If they are not, or if it is a cloudy day, you will probably get closer to 76 watts, which is still pretty good. And finally at number 1, we have the DOKIO 100 watt 18 volt monocrystalline solar panel. These solar panels from DOKIO are some of the largest solar panels available. This makes them great for larger sized boats where you can mount them permanently. Since they are relatively hefty as far as solar panels go, you won't want to have to move them around all that often. Thankfully, these solar panels come with pre-drilled holes on the back panel. These holes help make mounting and securing the panels a snap. Thanks to this quality design, you won't have to worry about the panels shifting around on you once they have been installed. The frame is also corrosion resistant, which makes it perfect for use on a boat. One way that DOKIO has tried to reduce the overall size of these panels is by making them incredibly thin. While this does make them a bit more maneuverable and lighter than they would be if they were thicker, it cuts down on their durability. You will need to be sure that you are gentle with them until you have them in place. Once these panels are in place, the added rigidity of your boat will help make them more durable. Once you have them in place and they have a chance to charge, these panels have the highest amp rating of any solar panel on the market. This high amp rating is another reason that they would work so well on a larger boat. They can move a ton of energy in a short amount of time, as long as they are angled correctly towards the sun's rays on a beautiful sunny day. These panels are made with high conversion efficiency modules that can generate plenty of electricity, as long as there is enough sunlight. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.